You just found the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, third row seat, alarm, aluminum wheels. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.